fluff. Let's break down the real gameplay improvements the GameSir Mag Res TMR sticks Gen 2 bring to FPS players, especially when paired with the G7 Pro 8K PC. First, the GameSir Mag Res TMR sticks Gen 2 on the G7 Pro 8K PC deliver 8000 Hz polling rate and precision. In Apex Legends, when enemies strafe left and right to dodge damage, that frustrating input lag is a thing of the past. A light nudge on the Gen 2 sticks lets your crosshair track targets smoothly, so you won't miss crucial close-range clutches just because your hardware can't keep up. For long-range gunfights in Call of Duty, tiny, precise adjustments on the Gen 2 sticks translate directly to your scope. Lining up headshots no longer requires constant overcorrection. Every move feels intentional, not a guess. Then there's the minimized stick slop, a key refinement of the Gen 2 sticks for Call of Duty Black Ops 7, especially on tight, urban ruin-style maps, when enemies peek suddenly from cover or dash through narrow alleyways. The Gen 2 sticks eliminate extra loose movement. They respond exactly to your input, no drift, no lag. With this installment's toned-down aim assist, consistent input feel becomes more important. Flicking from your hold angle to lock onto an enemy's head is seamless. No need to compensate for the loose, mushy feedback of older joysticks with more slop. There's also improved consistency with the Gen 2 sticks. Grind through hours of high-intensity ranked matches, play back-to-back sessions, and the Gen 2 sticks feel stays consistent. No need to pause and readjust your muscle memory mid-rank push. Your hardware and the Gen 2 sticks won't let you down. It's not a revolutionary overhaul, but for FPS players who value control stability and precise aiming, the GameSir Mag Res TMR Sticks Gen 2 are a solid, reliable upgrade.